Welcome back to CodeChef. What if you could make your code easier to understand for yourself and others? Today, we'll explore comments and naming conventions in Java, small but powerful practices that help keep your code clean and readable. Think of writing comments like adding sticky notes to a recipe. When cooking a complex dish, a note like, "Add salt slowly," helps you or others remember why that step matters. Similarly, comments in code explain what the code does without affecting how the computer runs it. A comment in Java is a line or block of text ignored by the computer during execution. It's written for humans to understand the purpose of code. Good naming conventions use descriptive and meaningful names for variables and methods to improve readability. Here's a simple Java example. The first two lines are comments that explain the purpose. The variable name's first number and second number are descriptive. After compiling and running the program, the output will be 1020. Did you know? Java supports two types of comments: single-line comments starting with double slash and multi-line comments enclosed between slash asterisk and asterisk slash. For example, comments don't affect program output and help keep your code organized. Now it's your turn. Try this beginner-friendly problem on CodeChef. Variable naming practice. Write a program that declares variables with meaningful names and prints their values. Today you learned: comments help explain your code without affecting execution. Meaningful variable names make your code easy to understand. Use single-line and multi-line comments for clarity. Code, debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.